Hello again from Vic's Kitchen. Today we are making a lemon, Rooibos and Spekboom Posset. A posset is an Old English cream-based dessert. I came across this a few years ago when researching something to serve with my other citrus flavoured desserts. Today's one is made with a local twist, namely the Spekboom and Rooibos tea. Spekboom is this carbon efficient plant here which has a zesty lemon flavoured taste and really adds value to the dessert. So much so that some of my clients have taken cuttings home and it's now grown in their houses around the world. So this is a really simple dessert. You take 250 ml of cream and 60 grams of caster sugar and add it to a pot. If you're using lemon zest, a teaspoon should be enough. I'm using the Spekboom leaves. I'm also using a Rooibos tea bag, which will be steeped in the cream. You can use Earl Grey or any other flavored tea. You bring it up to a slow boil, simmer for 3 minutes while whisking occasionally. So it's simmered for 3 minutes. Now it's time to take off the heat and bring it across here. Going to remove the tea bag first. It's infused enough of its flavor. As you can see, it's got a lovely golden color from the Rooibos. We're going to add the lemon juice while whisking. Give it a good stir. Have a taste if you want. If it's a bit too sour, you can add a bit more sugar, or if it's a bit too sweet, you can add a bit more lemon. And we're going to let it rest here for 10 minutes and let it cool down for now. This mixture is now cool enough to pour, which I've done into these 4 small glasses, which is plenty as it's a very rich dessert. Now it goes into the fridge for 3 to 4 hours till set. Then you can enjoy it with a biscuit, like a shortbread or even the tuile that I made in my last video. Till next time, enjoy.